I strongly believe opportunities should always be presented equally to all, irrespective of race, gender, religion, and ethnicity. As years go by, the spectrum of diversity seems to broaden, but opportunities remain focused only for a few. My role as an educator is to break stereotypes in my field and, with the support of industrial and federal sponsors, to provide programs for K-12 underrepresented students and SVSU students to gain knowledge in Great Lakes Bay region, a DEI-centered engineering education. The Roosevelt Ruffin Diversity Award is a great honor, and I thank the nominator and committee members for recognizing my contribution. The SVSU President, Dr. Prashant, Provost Dr. Huntley, Dr. Mimi Thorns, faculty, staff, and community for always lending your support, my family for keeping me grounded, and the talented young student participants and family members for supporting their child's dream. Remember, DEI is a movement and cannot be just a moment of pause, as our future generation depends on today's movement. Thank you.